joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all my dear students. Standard 5, Subject Computer Theory, Topic Introduction to the Internet, Part 2. Children, in Part 1, we have learned about the network and Internet. In this lesson, we are going to learn more about Internet. So, our first topic is WWW, the World Wide Web. The Internet is a massive physical network of computers that are connected to each other by telephone line or the cable line or the satellite links. The WWW or the web is a collection of pages of information that are stored on these computers. So the web is a network of pages of information that are linked to each other. The first web browser was called the Nexus. Web browser. What is a web browser? It is an application that runs on our computer and help us view the web pages. These web pages are hosted on special computers called web servers. Children, few are some popular web browsers are like Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari. Web page. A web page is a document that we view using the browser when we search for the information. This one. A web page may contain text, picture, music, videos, and animation. Next is website. A collection of web pages together make a website. Using the links within a website, we can navigate to the other pages within the website or on the other website. Web address. Just like we have an address for our home, similarly we have an address for its home page also. A home page is the first page of a website that appears when we visit it. We need to enter the website address into the address bar of the browser to access. A web address is also known as URL, Universal Resource Locator. Web addresses usually start with www, otherwise http. So like for example www.navneet.com. Our next topic is emails. Yes, we are living in the emails world. This is very best option to send the message to anyone, whoever the person is sitting. So basically it is called an electronic mail or email. Is a personal message that is sent by an individual through the internet to one or a group of individuals. The message may contain text, images, or files as attachments. Most email services are available free of cost. Emails are sent and received almost instantly, allowing communication with large number of people. We can send an email to another person using that person's email address, which you can see here the example down. So for email, we need an email address. Then only we can send the email or we can receive it. Internet etiquette. Just like we need to maintain good manners in life, we need to follow some etiquettes while using the internet. So let us see. First one, do not type using all capital letters. Yes, we should use all small letters. Typing in all caps means that we are shouting at others person, which is rude behavior. Second, write concise and to the point messages. We should avoid long messages. It should be short. Third, do not plagiarize, steal, or hack others' information. Yes, we should not take anyone's ideas or thoughts, and we should not steal the information, which is not good. It actually hacking means illegal. It is this activities like hacking, cyberbullying, and cyber stalking are illegal and unethical. Do not send or forward junk or irrelevant email in bulk. Such messages are called as spam messages. Do not provide your personal information like names, address, phone numbers, password, date of birth, or daily schedule to the strangers. You should avoid all these things. Next, do not be mean to others and don't peep into other person's computer. Yes, this behavior is not good, so we should avoid this. Download files only with the permission from your parents or the teacher. Avoid installing any game software or programs without the permission. And the last one is surf only those sites that are safe to surf. Accessing random websites can infect our computer with viruses. So we should take care of few things in our mind while using the internet. So these are the internet etiquettes. So children, in this lesson we have learned more about internet. Next time we will learn something new. Till the time, bye, take care, have a good day.